everybody? I'm going to put the Shorty antenna on my Indian Challenger today. So I've already opened it up to get all the parts that I need off of it, or at least figure out what I needed to do with it. So yeah, let's get to it. So the first thing you have to do is take the old antenna off, which is pretty easy. You have this little rubber cover over the part that you have to get a pair of pliers on, because I couldn't find a wrench that fit it. I tried a 1/4 inch, I tried 5/16, I tried 7, 8, 9 millimeter. None of them fit. It was either too big or too small. So I just got me a pair of pliers. This pulls down, and I just unloosened it that way. Right now it's hand tight because I've already taken it off. So yeah, it's pretty simple. You just unscrew it. It comes with obviously the antenna. All right. Stick it somewhere where it's not going to roll and lose it. And it comes with a bag of fittings, like a lot. So this thing has got to fit who knows how many different vehicles. But the one that you want is just, I'm going to just call it a straight through piece. So that's what you're looking for in this bag of stuff. And there's really only one that's like that. So it'll be easy to find for sure. So just screw the end on the antenna part. I'm not using Loctite right now, but then you just screw that in. I'm just going to make it hand tight, and then check on it after a while, right? So, and that's it. Push it back up, and it's under the it's well under the turn signals. I noticed that the stock antennas rubbed a spot off of the turn signal. I'll take a picture of it and post it up. You can see where it's rubbed the paint off of it. I don't understand how. I mean, it's not like that. I don't know. I never really noticed that the antenna flopped around like that. So maybe something else happened. Anyway, that's it. It takes you just a couple minutes. So please like, share, follow, all the good stuff. Subscribe to the channel. It would be greatly appreciated. And we'll talk at you later. Bye-bye.